The old garage?
Yep.
Now,
Kegan's been up to something.
been up to a lot.
Been up to a lot.
A lot.
Last time we was here, we
and it's been hot. I'm not built for heat.
Not built for heat.
I'm not built for heat.
This morning it's really not too bad. So,
yeah.
So last time we was here, what was we doing last time we was here? Oh yeah, we was putting a little concoction in the cylinder of the Firebird.
We were putting our mystery oil and everything else into it.
And I showed up this morning and I thought, what a disaster, because I seen this. There has been some dirt disturbed back in here. And there's no longer a Firebird sitting there.
See, what we did is we came back here and we wrestled the nest enough that the bird was angry, and then it came on out.
Really? You're going with that story?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
So anyways, we'll show you guys where the bird is right now. After he's got something else. It's easier to get back in here this time.
Yeah. This was where the back tires were set.
So the back tires were sitting right there. It was starting to become one with the earth again. So let's go see where it's at now.
I made it angry. It has to live.
Kegan's got his truck down here this morning, and he's got a way figured out to get the Firebird over to the garage.
She got new shoes.
Yeah, he took it yesterday. Here, we'll go over here. Those are old shoes. Those are the ones that was returning to the earth, and these are new shoes. He went and had these put on yesterday. So yeah, we're not hauling it on the old garbage that was on there, and we get to the garage, we'll take these off, work on the brakes and stuff, but we have got a decent set of tires on the bird. But yeah, so we are going to go make a few stops on our way to the garage because Kegan's got to pick up oil.
I've got to. I am very familiar with a parts store, so I've already got calibers that are in. I've got new shoes, new pads.
You got all your parts in the
truck?
Wheel
cylinder. I got all the stuff that I had originally bought in the truck, but I made sure that everything was going to be there today.
So we're going to go swing by a particular parts store that Kegan knows a lot about.
I'm familiar with it.
And we are going to swing by probably a Dollar General or something on our way there. So we got to pick up something else that are like a home goods. We'll go over that later. And we are going to head to the garage. So we'll see you guys here in a second at the garage.
It'll only be a second for you guys. It'll be a very tedious journey for us.
You don't have faith in it?
You know, Murphy's Law was named after an Irishman.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So look at me real quick before we get started. How excited are you to have the bird hooked to the back of your truck right now?
I almost did not sleep last night. Like, I had to completely blank out. I was up until 1:30 because I was just like could not calm down. Because this thing, it should have never been parked. It should have never been parked. I should have shut up, thought about the issue, and fixed it. The issue wasn't all that bad. The reason why it was parked, it was just me being young and dumb and not overthinking it and just not getting in and correcting it.
We're gonna fix that today though, right?
We are.
And the next trick is I don't know what's gonna happen on this particular video, if we're gonna have one more. It depends on how everything goes. Probably be one more if I had to guess.
Probably. But
at the end of the video, we get the bird running. We've got a surprise sitting at the garage that might make the bird happier later on. And we'll show you guys that then. So for now, we got to get some stuff done. So see you in a bit.
See you guys in a bit.
Well, guys, as usual, no good show would be worth anything without a little bit of drama, so we got some. We decided to take the back way into Jackson instead of get up on the highway because the old Dolly had been sitting for a little while. And
I knew it'd been sitting for a while, and that's the reason why I wanted to take the back way, is because there's a bunch of spots back on this road where if anything happens, you can limp off to the side. No traffic, you don't block anyone up.
So he's running about 45 mile an hour, and
which is what I wanted to.
So I think that's a 4 on 5.5. I got a couple of them sitting out at the house. We're gonna leave the car parked here for a bit, and we're gonna go out and get it and come back and get it back on.
I tell you what though,
it come loose, it knocked all kinds of stuff, didn't it?
Guess what though?
What?
Didn't hurt the tire on the bird.
That's important, huh? Well, as you can see, Kegan's getting his chains and everything off, straps off. We'll move the car back here in a second, get everything off of it. So we made it. You're fine.
Remember folks, when maintaining your Firebird, remove all flammable objects from the engine bay.
So I'm gonna move the camera here a little bit, try and get you guys a good view, but I want to see Kegan's face too when this happens. I got good feelings this is gonna work out all right. Kegan, come here. So the first test is to see if it will turn over. Come here, Kegan.
What is it?
Come here.
I thought you wanted me to
put it neutral? Okay, put it neutral.
Yeah, I figured neutral.
It's an automatic. I don't know how much that matters. Be safe, on the safe side, I guess. So, I got my great big wrench and a big socket that fits the bolt in the middle of the crank pulley, and what do you think, Kegan? Think yay or nay?
Yeah.
Yay? Looky there. Those belts sound like. Well, that answers the question though. Bottom end of it's free. So if it wasn't free, that means the concoction worked. But if you guys ain't sure what we're talking about, there was a previous video. But it actually spun real easy. So I guess it's time to get to work, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, and I'm really hoping Kegan bought spark plugs. Or spark plug wires, I mean.
They're in the box.
Those are garbage. Something ate them. Car's in the garage. Motor's broke free. It's fine. It's not stuck. Hopefully it's got compression. We'll do a compression check on it. We have got, grab this real quick, we got a bunch of parts sitting right there and some in the passenger side seat of the car. So we'll see how that goes. We got it here. It's already noon and we haven't even started working on it yet. So we're going to start working on it, start filming a different video because we don't want a 40-minute long video of everything that's going on with this. So if you guys want to see all those parts go in this car and see how this turns out, watch the next video. And as far as this video goes, thanks for watching. Give us that like, hit that subscribe button. When I'm looking at the camera, I have a harder time with it. I think it's down there.
Pretty sure it's down here.
So, Kegan, words of wisdom? Put him on the spot.
Stupidity can trump tenacity, I guess? I don't know.
Tenacity trumps stupidity. I think you got that back.
Yeah, well, fine.
So,
fine enough. Yeah, perfect example.
Exactly. So, guys, thanks for watching. See you later.